Hello students, let's try to understand the next problem. What the problem is all about. An intensive property of thermodynamics means property which depends. Dear student, if you talk about intensive properties, this is what intensive property. So if you talk about intensive property, student, so intensive property means that depends on where student that depends. Okay, they are saying that do not depend, better you write that do not depend on mass. Okay, it's all deleted. Intensive property, so that is that do not depend on mass, do not depends on mass and volume. These things they are not going, not depend on mass and volume, like the density is there. Okay, temperature is there. Okay, pressure is there. These things are not going to depend on the mass and volume. Okay, they are the mass independent. So that is on what they are going to depend. Okay, so they are going to depends on the nature of the compound. They are going to depend on the nature of the compounds, friend, right? So this is our required answer, dear friend, nature of the compound. So let's try to understand. An intensive property of thermodynamics means a property which depends on the amount of substance. Amount means not mass. On the nature of the substance only. That is what the correct answer is. On the nature of the substance only, option 2. Both the amount as well as nature, wrong. It is not going to depend on amount, neither on the amount nor the nature. No, this is wrong. It is depend only on the nature. So this is our required answer.